Now I'm gonna take you to the great room. You can have your dining table right here in this area, and you can have your sofa or couch right here. Best place to entertain your guests. Now I'm gonna take you to the family room right here. Come. There is plenty of room right here. You can have your TV right here, couch, enjoy watching football. You can have so much room and fun enjoying in this area. You can even have a karaoke out there. Now this is the breakfast nook area. Enjoy breakfast, pancakes, whatever you like for breakfast. Now here is the kitchen. Right there. And I'll take you to the pantry. Like a walk-in pantry. And I'm gonna take you to the hat bag. Now come, let's go upstairs. Now I'm gonna take you to the primary bedroom. Really big room right here. So much space. Now baby, primary bathroom. And check out the closet. Come, I'll take you to that next bedroom that is big with double doors right here. And look at the beautiful view on it there. Now I'm gonna take you to bedroom 3. Hey. Now here is the bathroom. Now here is the laundry room. And now bedroom number 4.